Chapter 1 Real Numbers 9th class Exercise 1.3 First question Visualize 2.874 on the number line using successive magnification. So what is the number is given as per the solution 2.874. So this number is exactly lies in between 2 and 3. So draw a number line and indicate here is 2, indicate here is 3. That means here is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and next is 3. See here 2.8 and 2.9. So these two. Now take here another line starts from here 2.8 end with 2.9. Draw a imagination line. That means dotted line. It reaches to 2.8 and from 2.9 to 2.9 here. This is once again 2.81, isn't it? 2.82, next 2.83, next 2.84, next 2.85, isn't it? Next 2.86, next number 2.87, next number 2.88, next number 2.89, next is. So see here 2.87 we want initially, that means this one. So we need to take these two 2.87 and 2.88, isn't it? Draw another magnification or imaginary line, another line. So this point indicate 2.87, isn't it? Now starts from 2.871, next number 2.872, next number 2.873, next number 2.874. See 2.874 we want, isn't it? So draw a dotted line which is reaches to what? 2.89. Here is this indicates 2.88. This is. So we want which number? 2. See here 2.874. See here 2.874. This is we want. Next number is what? 2.875. Next 2.876 and so on up to 2.88. So we got a number that is 2.874 is on number line we are represented, isn't it? So this is the answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See question number 2. Visualize 5.28 bar on the number line up to 2 decimal places. Solution. What is given? 5.28 bar. So this can be written as 5.2828. These two are repeating. So 2 decimal places are. Now take a number line and this 5.28 can be exactly lies in between 5 and 6. Now here is 5.1, next 5.2, next 5.3, next 5.4, next 5.5, next 5.6, next 5.7, next 5.8, next 5.9, after next 6, isn't it? So 5.2 we got. Take 5.2 initial point and 5.3 final point, isn't it? Draw a line. This is 5.2. Shown this last line. This reaches to where? Final up to here. This is 5.3. Now see, next number is 5.21, next 5.22, next 5.23, next 5.24, next 5.25, next 5.26, next 5.27, next 5.28, next 5.29, next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, next 10. Yes, so what we got? 5.28 we want, so 5.28, so these two 5.28 and 5.29, next, isn't it? Draw a line. This is step 3. Initial number is 5.28, this one, see here, 5.28, 5.28, and final one is 5.29. Here next, after 5.28, 5.281, 5.282, 5.283, 5.284, 5.285, 5.286, 5.287, 5.289, sorry, 288, 5.289, next is 5.29. So we want 5.282828, like that, repeating number, isn't it? So 5.282 here and 5.282 3 here, so that is exactly in between where these two. Now take these two numbers, once again draw a line. Initial number is what? 5.282, and final number is what? 5.283. This 5.282 is this, and 5.283 is here. Now this number is 5.2821. Here is 5.2822, isn't it? This third one 5.2823. Here 5.2824. Here 5.2825. Here 5.2826. Here 5.2827. Here 5.2828, 5.2829. We required 5.2828 number is here. This is the answer of the given question, isn't it? So we got it. That means 5.28 bar is 5.2828 up to 2 decimal places we got the on a number line we shown how many steps it will take? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, isn't it? All of you understood? Okay, thank you. Drawn a dotted line 5.28 and 5.29. I am not drawn in the last one, so here